Hello, Chucky here, and looks like it's raining. Do you all remember the rainy day video I did in 2016? Because that was a good old time memory video. So, look at that wonderful rain of fogginess. I don't know if you guys can see it because right now you can't. But at least you guys can hear the raining video. Do you like the rain? Comments below. And if you love it a lot, then give it a like. Yay. It's been so long since the last time I saw it. I'm gonna tell Sonic about this. Hey Sonic!
So, since spring is almost over, what should we do, Venom?
We don't know.
But I have lots of ideas to destroy Spider-Man. What the record guy said.
I know. He told me a lot of times.
Is the dog licking again?
Of course, he's been licking all the time.
Okay. Besides, I think summer's about to get hot and it's getting hot in here.
I know, right? So rain came up.
Chucky, what are you doing here?
I told you what I'm doing here.
Don't do that.
At least we are the only one. Because the movie's about to come out. See you guys there.
Huh?
Huh? You always say huh.
So why are you taking me here?
Because it's raining.
Well, it's not raining anymore.
But I saw it rain. I saw it. I'm telling the truth. I'm telling the truth. I'm telling the truth.
Well, it must have stopped, so I'm gonna go inside because the pool, I don't like it.
I like the pools. Besides, I keep dreaming about the road filling up with water, and I like to I know. Scary for you, but it's awesome for me. Be hope. More excitement will come. Huh? Okay, who turned on that music? And why does it sound so calming and whatever? We don't like calm. We like revenge. Who the heck are you?
It's all ogre now.
No. Back off. I'm gonna kill you.
Shrek is
Nope.
love.
Hey, okay, no, touch it. Ugh. You don't mess with Venom. Huh. This ogre. Ugh. What's he into anyway? Yeah, why is that green singamajig in the way? I don't know. I really hate it. Don't you mean we? Oh.
Okay, I got inside because, yeah, nothing isn't happening, no rain or anything.
Yeah, of course. We love the rain. It's been a while.
I don't like the rain, not gonna lie. I don't want to drown, okay? So... Oh wait, the camera's still on. At least this is a short video or whatever. So thank you all for watching.
Already? They just started the video!
Then what else? There's nothing here to do but just a raining singamajinga.
Shrek is life.
What? Ah!
Hello, Chucky here. Thank you all for watching. I didn't show up at the end because I don't want to get caught by Shrek. So, goodbye.